Good morning, sir. My name is Y. Chandana. I am studying in Mechanical Engineering first year. My subject name is DEVC. Find the work done in moving a product in the force field. F bar is equals to 3x square I bar plus 2 whole x 2 minus 4 whole j bar plus 2k along the straight line from 0, 0 whole to 2, 1, 2 whole, given that f bar x 3x square I plus 2x x minus y whole j bar plus zx d bar r is equals to dx I bar plus dj bar plus dz x bar f bar dx is equals to 3x square dx plus 8x z minus whole dy plus z dz. Function of subject line x minus xy by x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equals to z minus z1 by z square minus z1. The equation of the line joining two points 0, 0, 0 whole plus 2, 1, 3 whole is equals to x minus 0 by 2 minus 0 is equals to y minus 0 by 1 minus 0 is equals to z minus 0 by 3 minus 0 x by 2 is equals to y by 1 is equals to z by 3 is equals to t shan x is equals to 2t comma y is equals to z comma z is equals to 3 comma. When t is equals to 0 we get 0, 0, 0 plus 0 comma 0, 0. When t is equals to 1 we get 2 comma 1 comma 3 whole. F bar d bar r is equals to d bar is equals to 3a square plus 2x zy whole dy plus z d2 is equals to do by z 3 4 t whole dt plus 2 comma 3 comma 3 plus 3 is equals to 36 t cube by 3 plus a l by l square by 3 3 cancel 1 by is equals to 1 to t4 is equals to 16 units. Show that delta by is equals to dou by z dou r by dou x by n delta d dou by r by dou by y by n comma dou by r by dou z is equals to x by r. Thank you, sir.